Hello everyone, I am Muhammad and welcome to Learning Angular 11 from scratch step-by-step video tutorials series. This is second video of this series. I strongly believe that no one can learn programming by just reading books and by watching videos. To achieve this goal, I believe that we have to make our hands dirty as well. Means with reading books and watching videos, we have to write code with our hands as well. So I will highly recommend that not only watch all the videos available in this series, also write code with me as well to learn Angular 11. And to do that, the first thing we need to do is setting up our dev machines. And to set up, first thing we need operating system. I'm using MacBook, so I'll be using Mac operating system. But if you have Windows machine, or if you have any other preference, any other operating system you want to use, that good enough as well. You will not lose anything if you will use any other operating system. The next thing we need to install on our machine is Node. Node.js is an open source server environment. It uses JavaScript on the server. It is free and runs on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac operating system. Before trying to install Node.js, just give a try and just check. Might be that is already installed on your machine. And to check that if Node is already installed on your machine, you can use this command and run in terminal. Node space -v. This command will let you know that if Node is installed and which version is installed on your machine. But in case if that is not already installed, installation is quite simple and straightforward. You can go to this URL, and if you see that on that page you have LTS and current version available. LTS is long-term supported version. So I will recommend that if you're going to use Node for actual and real project, use LTS version. And if you want to explore new feature and if you want to use this just for learning purpose, you can use current version. And if you see that under LTS and current, they are different platforms. So just download for your platform. After installing Node, next thing we need npm. npm stands for Node Package Manager. npm is a package manager for the JavaScript programming language. Installing Node also installs npm by default as well. So to just make sure if npm is installed on your machine, you can use the following command: npm space -v. Running this command in terminal will let you know that if npm is installed on your machine and also which version is installed on your machine. In case if npm is not installed, or if you want to install the latest version, you can run the following command to achieve that goal. Command is npm space install space npm latest space -g. We use G just to install that latest version globally, so you no need to worry about paths and it will work for all the folders. The next thing we need is Angular CLI. Angular CLI or Angular command line interface is a tool to create projects, generate application and library code, and perform a variety of ongoing development tasks such as testing, bundling, and deployment, etc. Again, first make sure might be that is already on your machine, and to check that if Angular CLI is already installed on your machine, just run the following command in terminal: ng space --version. And if that is already installed on your machine, it will let you know, and also it will show you the installed version number as well. So again, if that is not to install, or if you want to install a different version, you can use the following command: npm space install space -g space @angular /cli @version number, which version you want to install. If you will pass the version number, it will install that version, but if you will skip version number like this one, this will install the latest version on your machine. Similarly, if you want to uninstall, you can use this command to uninstall Angular CLI. Same command you can use with I instead of install word. Means npm space I space -g space @angular /cli @version number, and through that you will achieve same goal. The final and last thing to write the Angular 11 code we need is code editor. There are many code editors to develop web and mobile applications. Among the most famous I could quote are Atom, Sublime Text, Brackets, and VS Studio Code. VS Studio Code is the editor used in most Angular conferences. So I have decided that throughout this video tutorial series, I will use VS Studio Code. But in case if you prefer any other one, it's fine as well. You can use any other editor except VS Studio as well. You will not lose anything. VS Code is a code editor developed by Microsoft for Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. If that is installed on your machine, good enough. If not, just go to this URL, and if you see that on that page, you can download VS Studio for different platform. As I said, I'm going to use Mac operating system, so I will download that and I will install that. But based on your platform, just download the relevant one. With VS Studio, we can use many different amazing extensions for different purposes, but at the moment I will skip that part and I will introduce you different extensions in different videos to do or achieve different goals. So that's everything what we need to install to write code for Angular 11. But as I said in my previous video, that at the end of each video I will share one or more than one interview questions as well. So for this video, today's question is, what is NVM? What is this used for? And some examples how we can use this. At the end, I want to just show you guys what I have installed on my machines so that you can install the same versions on your machines as well. So first thing, we need to check what node version I have on my machine. So to check that, we can write the command node space -v, and if you see that, this is the version I'm using, similar like this one. To check npm version I have on my machine, we can use this command, and this is the version I'm using on my machine. And last but not least, to check the Angular version, Angular CLI version, we can use this command, and this is the version I'm using, Angular CLI 11 version. In the next video, we will create our first Angular application, and I will go through the architecture and files and folders created by CLI in that project. So till then, have a good time and bye bye.